Hello and welcome to Session 6. Why here? Why now? I believe you arrived as is and with everything needed to be and have all you desire. There's more inside you, and this course will serve to reacquaint you with your unique abilities. You have the skills required to master the art of happiness and success. You always have. You may be confused or unclear as to what that is now, but soon everything will begin to come into focus. It's just that life has conditioned you to do things that weren't always in sync with your truth. You may have been guided away from it and towards something thought to be best for you and your future. All too often that leads you astray. Your natural gifts and talents may have been overlooked, never receiving the attention needed to thrive. Aside from that, dysfunctional and abusive situations cause survival instincts to kick in and take precedence over your creative calm. Unhealthy environments can deprive you of a nurturing surrounding and the ability to focus and grow your natural skills. Inner desires, gifts, and talents are resilient. They have survived. Everything you need to do what you want is tucked away safe and sound. When you begin to explore your inner truth, everything will surface. Once you begin to get reacquainted with yourself and resuscitate your talents, happiness grows and fuels success. This becomes an asset, producing results in all areas of your life. You're about to enter a truly exciting world, one that can impact your life and those you care about. Soon you'll feel brave, strong, and begin to care about achieving the dreams you were just about to give up on. It's my passion to help anyone who believes there's more to life find it. The three warrior characteristics, bravery, strength, and caring, will develop and grow in you. These superpowers seem to be a natural side effect of self-exploration and seizing the moments that elevate your life. I've seen it over and over again in the people I work with. Although you may not feel it now, you will. You're brave because you decided to do something to improve your life. You'll grow stronger because bravery builds strength. And you'll begin to care more and more as it all comes into focus. The thing you care about has been buried by the stuff you've been told was more important and or due to the distraction of survival. You may have lost sight of it or never been aware of its existence, and yet you will. Regardless of feeling lost, your original intent and joy can be restored. These three attributes, bravery, strength, and caring, will waver from time to time. Don't fret, it's the same for everyone. None of us walks around feeling brave, strong, and caring all the time. When doubt and insecurities creep in, identify these feelings and redirect your attention back to your plan, your North Star. Your newly revived superpowers can replace the feeling of doubt. It's a process to live the life you believe you're intended to enjoy, and your process begins now. Each new step taken in the direction of success and happiness reaps rewards in all areas of your life, and it's far better to take one tiny step forward than to remain the same. It's like first learning to ride a bike. It can be scary, but once you learn, you never forget. It becomes second nature. You're quick to forget the fear of learning when enjoying your new ability to glide across an amazing landscape. You don't even mind the bumps. This may seem to you as a small accomplishment, riding a bike, and yet it's a consistent flow of small accomplishments that creates something big, something magical. You can experience this over and over again in life, just as you did learning to ride a bike as a child. It's magical. It's exciting. Please remember this. Write it down. Sticky note it to your mirror. It's a consistent flow of small accomplishments that create something big. Small accomplishments create something big, something magical.